How to share your WhatsApp link. Open WhatsApp. You can only share your WhatsApp link through WhatsApp. Click on three lines at the top. Go to Settings. Click on QR Code option on Profile. You can scan QR code to share WhatsApp. Click on Share option at the top. You will get all the options to share. Click on WhatsApp and send it to the person you want to share. Click on Send. You will see both QR code and link was sent to the person successfully. Once you click on link, it will get you to that person contact. That's how you can share WhatsApp link. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.